Hello everyone, today I'm trying out Deepseek OCR. So I'm just following this tutorial on VLLM. Since Deepseek OCR is still new, I wonder if LLM like Claude or Grok already have much info on it and can follow their instruction to install Deepseek OCR. If I'm not mistaken, Deepseek OCR just launched like a month ago, but I still haven't had a chance to try it. So now today I'm gonna try it. Last night I actually set up my GPU server using 360 RTX 360. So let me try to find the, oh my god, where is it? NVIDIA SMI. So I'm just gonna use this, and yeah, this is my GPU NVIDIA GeForce 360, and I'm using the latest version of the driver. Last night I installed the wrong version, 570, but when I set up CUDA, it requires me to install 580. So yeah, there's a bit of technical difficulties there. And previously I was installing the wrong version of CUDA, also 12.8, and 13 is the latest version. Yeah, and I hope I have an extra VRAM for my GPU to handle this Deepseek OCR. Yeah, so just now I've installed what we call UV. So it's very easy to install UV. Actually, I'm very grateful that the UV team making things very convenient in the Python world. So yeah, now we want to try install VLLM first. So VLLM is a inference engine specifically for LLM workload. So Deepseek is a LLM model. So but now they are, I think it's a multimodal, right? You can put text into the model, or you can put image, you can put video or audio, and that what they call as multimodal. So it's still LLM as a base, so that's why you can host it on top of VLLM, which is a fast inference engine for LLM model. So I figure out that you can still use VLLM to host OCR by Deepseek, because the foundation is still LLM. But then if you talk about easy OCR, Tesseract, or any open source is OCR model, you cannot host it on top of VLLM. It just doesn't make sense, because why would you want to host a purely OCR model on top of VLLM? Because VLLM is mainly intended to host a LLM model as an inference. Yeah. So yeah, running Deepseek OCR, offline OCR tasks, the tasks. So you're just gonna call this function LLM, and then if we define this Deepseek AI, Deepseek OCR, usually what it does, it will pull from Hugging Face. I mean, if you use transformer, it will do that. So the other option, I'm really not sure about it, because this is my first time using it. But yeah, maybe we can tweak something here there to optimize the flow, right? But for now, just wanna make this thing works. Yep. Oh, UV install done. This is what I love about UV. Yeah, it is so fast, and we can start code already. So we have main.py. We're going to delete that. We want to copy here and insert. Okay, so what we don't have right now is an image, so we're gonna search for maybe receipt. I am interested to do like receipt processing using Deepseek OCR. We're gonna search for receipt sample image. I'm gonna take, maybe we can do like URL copy image address. Can we do this? Yep. AVIF. I'm not sure if we can do processing for this format, but let's try. One more thing, I'm not sure if I can put image URL here, but it's okay, let's try. So let's delete this. Let's delete the trailing comma. Model input. Okay, it's done. I'm really not sure if it's as simple as that, but yeah, let's try to run it. It's better unlike material use. OCR is works better with platforms and instruction format. For example, for OCR tasks, depending batch token for, or we can tweak this max number. Oh, I don't have this in the code example, but check out. But yeah, let's try to run it. There's something wrong. So my problem is usually I always forgot to, it's here. I always forgot to put like a lot of debug log when running something that I'm not familiar with. So I'm really gonna, usually the first run, and when I do the first test run, then I realize, I need to put a print statement here and there to really see what is happening inside the code. So that is what usually I missed out. So yeah, I think this is a general problem, right? The first run usually it's not really optimized, but then the second run is where you learn where to tweak it, where to put the debug log, what's happening behind. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, now I think it is downloading the model. I'm not sure how large is the model because I'm using, I think there's two version of model, right? It's there's this one and then there's the smaller one, which is 8B, I think. Let's try to find here. So yeah, this one is 3B. I'm really not sure if it can fit my GPU. I mean, it's a good indicator that this one is running. Oh, there's a sample also here. Okay. So yeah, let's just hope this runs. Oh man, why my terminal is like this? Okay, you can see it now. Okay, there's a runtime error. Let's see what's the error is. I really like Python stack trees because there's a lot of information. But then someone said this is what made Python slow because of the stack trace that got too many strings or something like that. Yeah. Subprocess. Wait. Let me check engine core. CUDA utils. Torch. I think I need to download PyTorch. 97 seconds, not bad. Quite fast actually. I'm not sure if you download VLLM, it will auto download PyTorch also. Then let's see. Uh, yep. Okay, so what I do, just copy all of this and then paste into LLM. Since I'm not sure also what is happening, but then I'm just gonna paste this here. Oh my god, why? What it returns me in Chinese, man? Python 3 dev. Build essentials. I don't think I installed build essentials. Let's see. Sudo apt install. Oh, I actually installed it already. Why Grok returns things in Chinese? Let's use Glot. No, I don't want this. Please help to troubleshoot this. py I'm using UV. This is still required even with UV, what? Oh, did I install LLM? Oh, I installed it using UV right just now. UV pip install. Never mind, let's try to see which Python version are we using. 3.12. Okay, that's correct. Then, oh my god, this is tricky. Pillow request, what is this? Oh, this is to replace the image, but then let's ignore that for now. This is my Py project. Did I activate my VNV just now? Oh, I didn't activate UV. Let's try this. Oh, cannot Python run. Oh my god, that's stupid. UV Python run. Can you do like UV Python run? You should do like UV run, right? Never mind. Just running like this. Again, I think just now I forgot to activate the .vlv, but then oh, we recommend some this extension. Okay. This is different error. To enable UV. I don't want to. Is it because the GPU is actually attached to the machine, right? But then I use UV, which is another layer of. Just no. What's the current Python version? Three point 1.4. Okay, that's fine. Do I need to install 3.12 or 3.14? Okay, never mind. I just install this now. I hope it doesn't overlap with the current UV installation. I hope it will be fine. Okay, I've installed the. Okay, it's there now. So let's run it again. Let's just hope this time it will run properly. I think the next issue is that the image issue, which we didn't include the image properly inside the server because we are including the CDN URL, right? I'm not sure if it works like that. I don't think it works like that. But if you go to Claude or any LLM service, you can just paste the image URL and it will handle for you. But I'm not sure if it works the same way in this. Huh. Something is compiling. I think it's CUDA. Okay. Oh my god. There's no such file of the tree. They're different error now. So, yep. I'm just gonna ask. Okay, it works now. Through terminal. Okay, I'm just gonna download image through terminal. I I'm not really sure. Also, yeah, I think to be safe, let's just find a PNG image. I don't wanna use a VLLM or weird template. Let's try to copy image address. Oh, this one is PNG. Okay, let's use this one. wget. The command is wget, right? Wget. Yep. Let's download this image here. Let's see. Okay, let's just rename it. So I'm just gonna use MV to rename the thing, and let's just hope it doesn't corrupt the image because it's the same format. So yeah, don't worry about it. So go here and let's just try to find this one. Let's just highlight. Oh no, let's use this. Okay, I'm gonna put let's just put image1.png. I think that's the name, right? Image1.png. Okay, let's run again. UV run. I hope the path is correct. Usually you need to put // in front of the file name, but I'm not sure about this. Let's see. Oh, it compiles CUDA graph every time I run the script. That is weird. It doesn't catch the... Oh my god! I got it! Oh, that's nice. It dies unexpectedly, but I just want to see if it's already captured all the information inside the... Wait, how do I open this back? Oh yeah, this is one. Is repair. Yeah, it captures all, and the error doesn't make sense because it already captured all the information here. So yeah, it works. Deepseek OCR can run on top of 3060 RTX 3060 because that's why I pick up this GPU, right? Because it has a lot of VRAM. It has like 12 gigabyte of VRAM, and it can run any model. But then I need to figure out how to wrap this into API so that I can serve it publicly. People can do their document scanning for free. So that's the goal. I also need to figure out this line. I don't need it to compile every time people submit their receipt or invoice, because that is just a bad user experience. Yep. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I know it's a long video, but yeah, at least we got there. Let me just screenshot this.